In this video, I'll show you how to open a Lloyds Bank account online. Get started, go ahead and open lloydsbank.com on your browser. So this is the official website of Lloyds Bank. As you can see under this, you'll be able to find their available services. Under the Our Product section, you'll be able to find available accounts that you can open for this bank. So go ahead and select the specific account that you want to open for your Lloyds Bank. Click on the Explore or Silver's account. And once you're ready to apply, you can simply click on that Ready to Apply button. But you can actually learn more about the features and benefits of this card once you scroll down on this section. So as you can see in here, this is the benefits that you can get for availing this silver account card. Here are some facts that you can read for details. So click on that Ready to Apply button. So to be able to apply for an account, you can apply through their website or log in to apply if you already have an account on the Lloyds Bank. Go ahead and click on that Apply for an Account on Our Website button, which you'll find under the New to Lloyds. You can also apply for an account on Lloyds Bank using their app by scanning this QR code shown in this page. So that will redirect you into a new page where you'll be able to apply for a Lloyds Silver account. In this section, you'll need to provide the important details that are required to be able to open a bank account, such as your personal information and accepting their terms and conditions, along with setting up your account details that you want to have for your Lloyds Bank once you access it online. And that's how you can basically open Lloyds Bank account online. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.